the sun rises up at 8:30, and we're going to school with our scooters, and we're going to the park to give the birds some food, and we have to go. And our mom is just picturing us. I just wanted she don't picture us. We are right here, and it's looking at called Miriam Square, and we always come to it sometimes, but I wanted to say like whatever I saw, or like birds I see. There is no bird here. Hi guys, so we arrived to the park, and me and my sister said maybe there's no birds, but there is a lot of birds coming, and so look at the walk, so nice. And it's even winter, that's why there's no leaves on a lot of the trees. Yeah, but they are